In this video, I'm reviewing a great headset you can buy for under $100 in 2022, the Audio-Technica M40x's. Now yes, the M40x's aren't the newest headset you can buy, but for the price, they're a great option if you only have $100. Now disclaimer, this is not a gaming headset. If you want that, go check out this video up here where I review the Logitech Pro gaming headset. With that being said, let's get into the unboxing. When you buy the M40x's, you'll of course receive the headset. As well as that, you'll receive a 3-meter straight audio cable, a 3-meter coiled audio cable, a 3.5 to 6.3 millimeter adapter, and lastly you receive a pouch for carrying the headset around. Now the headset does have a nice professional and minimalistic design. It's made from solid feeling plastic, an aluminum plate that goes through the headband, and the ear cups are made from pleather. The headset is sturdy and flexible, which allows it to fit a variety of different head shapes. The ear cups also rotate, which allows them to fit nicely around your head. The ear cups themselves do feel okay. They provide a good amount of padding, but they don't breathe that well, which if you're using them for a long period of time, does mean that your ears will heat up a bit. The headset also folds, which makes it great for carrying around. The cable itself also detaches, which is also great to see, but do keep in mind it does have a proprietary attachment. Now the sound this headset produces is quite good. It does have a similar sound to the M50x's, but the M40x's do produce a slightly flatter sound. It produces nice midtones, the bass is not overwhelming, and the highs are quite good. The headset itself also provides a nice amount of sound isolation. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this headset. For the pros, the headset is great value for money. It produces great sound, it has good build quality, it also folds up, which makes it great to carry around. And lastly, it also comes with a detachable cable. Now for the cons, the headset does feature a proprietary cable. The ear cups also don't breathe that well, which makes them not so great for a longer period of use. Now a solution for this is to buy a different pair of ear cups. As well as that, the ear cups don't rotate inwards, which is a slight inconvenience when you're wearing them on your head. And lastly, the headset doesn't come with a microphone. So now the main question, who should actually buy these headphones? If you're someone that wants to listen to music on an everyday basis, if you're editing on the go or maybe are a music producer, these are a great option for you. Now if you're looking for a gaming headset, I would not recommend these for you because of course it doesn't have a microphone. As well as that, for long gaming sessions, your ears will get quite uncomfortable. In conclusion, if you are looking for a great all-around headset that provides great sound quality and is also under $100, you should definitely check out the M40x's. I will leave a link down in the description if you are considering buying these headphones. With that being said, this does conclude my review of the Audio-Technica M40x's. If you perhaps have a smaller budget, then I would recommend you go check out this video where I review a budget gaming headset from Red Dragon that costs under $30. But if you are perhaps looking for something else, you can go ahead and check out my review playlist. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time.